Check out this 2002 Chevrolet Corvette. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, 4-wheel, power windows, alloy wheels, dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, and power steering. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.